of a pain. No one really likes them. But a barn owl, if she has a clutch with her, so her young, she can have up to 9. She can eat up to 1,000 mice a month. That's a lot. So that will pretty much sort your mice problem, no worries. And it's really important to know that because there have been some issues sort of with their population numbers in some areas. And this has pretty much come down to the cause of loss of habitation by humans, but also poison baits. So essentially, you put some poison bait out for the mice or the rats, the rat dies, Cleo or any other barn owl thinks, oh, Big Mac. And she goes to eat it. But that poison then travels through that food chain there. So depending on the poison, it can be strong enough to kill the bird straight away, but it can also just influence their reproductive system. So that generally they can't produce the density of shell that they need to produce, and then their young can't survive, and then they can't produce young. So it is very important. We definitely recommend if you are having a mice problem, maybe set up a roost, and if a lovely owl like Cleo here will come along and help you out rather than having to use any poison. Another really cool fact about Cleo is she has soundless flight. So although you could hear her while she was ruffling her feathers there, if you were to hear her as she was swooping in on her prey, you wouldn't. If you would see her before you heard her. So there are serrations on her frontmost wing, and it kind of looks like a very fine-toothed comb. And what that does, that helps break up the sound, and then all the down feathers that are underneath her wings in her armpits help soak up the sound, and there's pretty much nothing to be heard. So again, helping her sneak up on her prey. Does anyone have any questions? No?
Are there other kind of owls that are native to this area?
Yeah, great horned owls we definitely see. I think pygmy owls occasionally, but they're quite small. So I believe barred owls. We get, I know we definitely, not an owl, but we get bald eagles. We actually have I believe it's more bald eagles in BC alone than like half the United States or something like that. So on a day like today, you may actually see some flying around with the birds in motion, which is pretty cool. But yeah.
Cool.
Any other questions?
Any other questions?
Alrighty, well I think the Lumberjack show is starting soon, and she can always tell when that's coming up. So what we'll do, it's a little bit cooler today. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.